Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I'm Lauren. I hope that you're all staying healthy, safe, well. Thank you for all the recent subscribers and for the OG subscribers, like the people that have followed me since the very beginning. I truly appreciate it. Like I see you commenting, and honestly, my channel's very small, but I do appreciate you taking the time to watch me and to leave comments. It like makes my day. Because I've been in like a little bit of a funk with filming lately. Sometimes I don't have the motivation to film, and I'm so tired from work. So I do appreciate seeing all those comments that you leave me. Today's video is an unboxing. I know my last video was an unboxing, but that unboxing was a fail. So if you watched it, I bought a Loewe straw bag, and then I bought, or a basket bag, and I also bought some Balenciaga slides. The Balenciaga slides I loved. Like, don't get me wrong, they were gorgeous. But if you watch that video, you know that they were a little bit tight, like on the toe kind of area. Not the toe area, but the top of my foot. I wouldn't say I have like really wide feet or anything like that. Maybe they're like average or a tiny bit wide, I don't know. But I have very flat feet, and I have like this weird bone that's on my right side, so I was just rubbing it, and unfortunately I had to return those. So I ended up picking up a new pair of slides, and funny enough, these are the pair that I really wanted. I just didn't want to spend the money on them. So they are by Gucci, as you can see there. I'm sorry, I'm always like scratching my face because my cat's sitting right over there and there's just cat hair everywhere. These are pretty new. I do have one other pair of Gucci slides. I have a pair of Givenchy slides, so I was pretty sure that I knew how these ones were going to fit me. I picked these up from Holt Renfrew. So Holt Renfrew is really cool because you can do curbside pickups right now. So you order it online and it's literally ready within like an hour. So these are called the Interlocking G Slide Sandals. I think they're the Pursuit sandals. So they come in black and white as well as red and white. So let me just show these to you right now. Now these are a little bit more expensive than the regular kind of Pursuit slides. So just know that. There they are. I did take them out and I tried them on. There's the authenticity cards that it always comes with. And then the dust bags for these are so cute. The other ones I have were the Bengal Tiger ones. So they had like, I can't remember what the dust bags look like. I think they're just plain black, but these are kind of like, I don't know, this rustic kind of burlap kind of feel to it. But these are them right here. I think they're so cute and very much my style. I wear black and white pretty much all the time. So these are different because they are leather. So this top part here is leather, and the symbol there is in leather. And this is like their typical rubber sandal. So I will tell you my sizing. I got these in a size 38. My other Gucci's are 38. My other Givenchy's are 38. The Balenciaga I bought were 38. I am typically a size 7 all around in the majority of my shoes. So I do go up to a 38, which is equivalent to an 8 when I do buy these sandals. I do find that they fit a little bit small. So this is them. Let me take out the other pair for you too. So these are a little bit pricey. Here in Canada, these are $510 for slides. Like with taxes, it was just short of like $600. But the Gucci slides that I have, I think I've had them now for like 3 years, and I still wear them and I love them. So I figure it's worth it. And because I have that weird kind of like bone on my foot, I can't wear a ton of sandals, like really cute things. So I find that these are perfect. And why I really love these is because, I don't know if you can see, they're leather, but there's padding. So there's like a fairly significant sort of foam, or you can kind of see there, foam padding with these sandals. So they're very, very comfy. The other ones I have are made of kind of like canvas material, whereas this, like I said, first of all, is leather. So it's like very, very smooth. It's like that smooth calfskin leather. And then the padding, like no joke, it's pretty thick. Like you can see right there. So it's very, very comfy. These fit my feet perfectly. They're very light. The Balenciagas were a little bit heavier, whereas these are nice and light. Just says Gucci on the side there, and then just Gucci on the bottom. All right, I want to jump in here really quick and show you a comparison between the other slides I have. So these are my new Gucci ones here. And then these are the ones I've had for now, I feel like almost 3 years. You can see the wear on them. Sorry, they're dirty, but there's definitely more wear on this side because I tend to like drag my feet more. But this one, I mean, the wear on them for 3.5 years, or I think it's 3 years, is pretty good. I still do really like to wear them. These ones, like I said, I didn't need to break in at all. They're fairly comfortable. And then these are my Givenchy. I've had these now, I feel like for 2 years. I think I got them after my Gucci. But again, there's a little bit of wear on this side, but pretty good, I would say. And then for sizing, I thought I would show you the Adelettes in case you are familiar with the Adelettes. I have 4 pairs, I think, of the Adelettes. So if you compare the Adelettes, which I have these in a size 6. So typically I'm a 7. I size down to a size 6 in the Adelettes. So if we compare the sizing between the Gucci and the Adelettes, the Gucci is a size 8. The Adelettes are a size 6. You can see that they're almost the same length. That's why I say to size up in this. So I size down in the Adelettes because they fit a little bit big and a little bit wide. And I size up in the, I guess, sort of the more the designer ones. Like I said, the Balenciagas I had before, I also got a 38, but they just weren't comfy and they didn't fit as well. So if you are familiar with Adelettes, then I would definitely say whatever size you take in your Adelettes is probably like double or 2 sizes up in the Gucci sandals. So there you go. I'm really excited to wear these. Like I said, they are a little bit expensive, but I feel like because you are getting sort of like this leather part here, it just elevates it a little bit and kind of reminds me of Batman, looking at it like this, like with the symbol. I don't know, but yeah, I really like them. I will sort of show you what they look like on me. I would say size up in these. They will fit a little bit snug to begin with. Right now it fits perfectly sort of under here with my footbed, but I would size up just for the length of them. I did also try the 37s on in my other Gucci ones when I first ordered them. Sorry, there's like I said, cat hair everywhere. And what I found was that my foot reached like the very back. So you can see like it's kind of molded. And as I dipped there, my foot was like at the very back of it and my toes were at the very front. So I just wanted to have a little bit of extra room. I will also say because these are padded, like it really sort of, I feel like will mold to your feet. So if you had some issues with the other Gucci slides and your feet were sliding forward, I feel like this cushiony part almost adds like a little bit of extra grip so your feet won't slide. That's what I noticed too when I wore these around the house. Like my feet don't slide at all. They just kind of stay where they're supposed to stay, which is super duper nice. So these are them here. I'm really excited to wear them. Yeah, it's just like a very quick unboxing. Like I said, I will insert some pictures as well so you can kind of see what they look like on me. But let me know what you think of these. I love them. I also, I'm thinking about getting the red and the white. So the leather part is white and then the Gucci symbols are red with the other pair. So I don't know, we'll see. Like that's like $1,200 on sandals though. Do I really need 2 pairs of slides that cost $1,200? Probably not. But anyway, that is it. Please leave any questions that you may have down below. Again, thank you so much for watching, and until I see you next time, I hope that you have a good day. Bye.